This is Dr. Daniel Paul, orthopedic surgeon with Easy Orthopedics, and today we're going to talk about why your wrist might hurt when you do yoga or push-ups. If you like this video, we put out new content weekly, so please like and subscribe. So whenever you're doing yoga or you're doing push-ups, you're basically hyperextending your wrist where it goes all the way back like this. So a lot of times what can happen is that you're putting your wrist through some somewhat non-physiologic range of motion. So when you start, it may be sort of like this, but as you get tired, it'll push further and further and back. And especially in females, they're a little bit more ligamentously lax than males. So what might happen as you get tired and the muscles can't really sustain it anymore, or keep the wrist supported, they start getting tired and the wrist starts bending back and back. And now you're stretching the ligaments of your wrist. And there's a lot of ligaments of the wrist, a lot of small ones. No major tears, but stressing them. And when that happens, you'll experience pain and you may get some swelling and inflammation in the wrist. And you might find when you go back into that position again, it's stressing those same ligaments and is causing pain. There's all sorts of other injuries of the wrist, but from just like push-ups or yoga where your wrists are already in stable position, you're probably not going to get any major ligament tears like scapholunate ligament tears, any scaphoid fractures. There's tendonitis of the wrist, but it's not really that position. TFCC injuries will be like this way. Decoy veins will be more like that way. So it's probably just generalized wrist ligaments. So what you can do if that's happening, you can wrap your wrists up to provide some extra support. You may have to find that you do your push-ups with like straight fisted like this, and you may have to do that for a while until the pain goes away, and then I would probably strengthen the wrist through various exercises before you go back again. But again, anytime you're lifting weights or doing any exercises and you kind of lose your muscular control, it's when the wrist starts going in funny positions, and that's when you end up getting tendonitis and ligament strains. So I hope I was able to answer your questions about why your wrist might hurt when you do push-ups or yoga. If you have any questions I didn't answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to respond. But I can't give you any specific medical advice about your condition because this video and all my videos are for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching.